This video covers the cabin air filter in the 2021-2023 GMC Yukon. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Its purpose is to filter dust, pollen, and other pollutants from entering the cabin. A clogged filter reduces airflow, strains the HVAC system, and compromises air quality, potentially worsening allergies. GMC recommends replacing it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, or annually, but dusty conditions may require more frequent changes. Keeping it maintained enhances comfort and protects your vehicle's HVAC system, saving you money in the long run. First, ensure the vehicle is completely off and the keys are removed for safety. Open the glove box fully. Depress the sides to release the stops, allowing it to hang down. Locate the filter cover at the top of the compartment. Press the tabs to remove it. Slide out the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrow. Vacuum the housing if it's dirty to ensure clean installation. Insert the new filter with the arrow pointing towards the cabin. Reattach the cover and glove box securely. No tools are required, making this a quick and easy DIY task. The cost is between $10 and $50 depending on the filter type.